This is my old car. It's a convertible 2000 CLK or CKL, can't remember. Yeah, and yeah, it's a. And then someone offered me for 250 this other one, slightly younger, older, should I say. It's got a few other things on it. It's got things like parking assist, folding mirrors. Needs a bit of a real clean. Basically the same engine, but this one is slightly different. It's like a Mark 1. I'm not sure, but this is what I'm saying. This my one is a Mark 2, and yeah, the clocks are different. But the reason I got this one is because it's got LPG. And he seems to have had it professionally put in, and yeah, let me just take this out so you can see. All right, there it is. He's replaced the spare tire by an LPG tank, and what he says and what it actually is two different things. And there, here is the filling cap for the LPG, and there, as you can see, is my petrol cap. So I've got LPG and petrol. The only problem with it, it's got a bad misfire on it, and I've tried as much as I can to thinking it's the plugs or even the coil pack, and as far as I can see, the coil pack's working. Now I think the problem might be because something to do with the injectors or something to do with the LPG. This here is the LPG rig. There's the pump coming in, there's the LPG, there's the leads going off. There it is. Now today I'm going to take off the rail, the injector rails. I want to see how they're firing, if something's wrong with them, and then we'll go from there. Okay? All right. Let me take them up, and I'm not here to show you how to take out a bloody fuel rail, because if you're looking at this, you probably know that anyway. So there we go. All right. There we go. Oh, by the way, I had taken off the lead, and there is the two coils. And the difference between my one and this one, my one actually has 4 coils. So what I think is people were complaining to Mercedes about the coil, and they decided to put 4 coils in newer versions. So there we have it. So I can't just take my coils out and put them in just to see if they'll work, because they won't work. All right, I'm going to take off the rail, get back to you. Bye.